Hello everyone, my name is the TDS Gamer and today I'm going to introduce you to a new template I've done. It's called Click and Interact. There are many fancy things you can do with it. I hope you like it. I'm just showing you a speed level design because I was on vacations, so I couldn't really record on my laptop while I was coding because I had many breaks obviously, and I hope you enjoy the video anyway. Hello again, back here in the preview scene. I just want to introduce you quickly to the template so you can try things out and understand a bit better what we're doing here and how it works. We're first the player who have a finite state machine, which is the action scheduler, which keeps track of the actions we're doing. Then we have the mover. It is dependent to the navmesh agent, so make sure you have it attached. It also auto imports the navmesh agent in case you just import the mover. And make sure you have a baked navmesh area where you can walk on. Then we have the play controller. We will go to it in a few seconds. We have the inventory with 35 initial slots. You will see it in a second as well when I click on play. Then we have the play interaction, which actually allows us to interact with those interactable objects. Yeah, the play controller basically have also how to explain. We're shooting a raycast from our mouse towards wherever we are moving the mouse at, with a radius of 1, which is not so big. And whenever we hover over an interactable object, we get a yellow mouse, and whenever we hover over anything which is non-interactable, we get a white mouse. Obviously, you can extend this to also implement UI hovering or whatsoever, and yeah, basically also areas where you cannot walk and so on. Also, we have the terrain here. We have interactable objects as the skull over there. It's a pickable one. Make sure you create scriptable items so you can add them into our pickable script. So whenever you basically click on them, you get this item here into your inventory. And our chest is a bit more flexible than the pickable items. Maybe we'll make the pickable items also a bit more flexible as this here, because whenever we click on the chest, we move towards the move point. And then on chest open, we invoke an event. Whatever we want to happen, we need to add here. In our case, we have here 3 pickable items. They get just activated, which are here. They just get activated. And we can pick them up after opening the chest. Whenever we close the chest, anything can happen, whatever you want. Then we have the UI right over here, the play canvas. It is well, we can set up a button with which we can open and close the UI, and it needs the UI container which we can open and close. We can press on play, I can show you how the whole thing works. So here is the mouse. On left click we can walk. In this scene we wear a ball. We can hover over interactables. Our mouse gets yellow. If we left click, we pick it up. If we press I, we get the item right over there. Super simple. Whenever we left click on the chest, we move towards the move point. Whenever we open the chest, those items get instantiated. And yeah, I hope you like this type of template. You can use it on many other ways. One way will be in the next video. I will show you. I will introduce you to this scene over here, which is a small game. It's called Where's Hannes? It's a friend of mine. We're going to make a game with him, and I'm going to implement some new functionalities and so on to the template while I'm coding, while I'm doing the game. I will prepare just the level design so we can start straight with the template. And it doesn't really matter which random pipeline you are. I'm here in the HRP one, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I hope you join so you can understand the template much better than you do now. If you're kind of self-engineered, then you can basically reverse engineer the whole code, or basically the code you need, so you can extend it or use it as it is. And I hope you leave a like and a subscribe. That would make me a lot. That would mean the world to me. And yeah, I see you next time, guys. Bye bye.